How to cancel an active order in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find orders. Simply click on orders at the top right. You'll find your order in here, which is also the recent one. And below your order, if you find cancel order option, simply click on cancel and cancel reason. Also make sure the food is not ready. After you do that, you won't be able to cancel. If you want to cancel when it is already made, what you can do is go back and click on help. From here, you can directly click on help in order and you can select order and then ask for them to cancel it. And this is how to cancel an active order in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.